Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add other income in FreshBooks. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Now, once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to add other income in FreshBooks. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the Create New button. Now click on Create New and it takes you here where you have an extended option which include client, retainer, invoice, recurring template, other income, expense, estimate, proposal, credit, bill, and vendor. Go ahead and click on other income. That takes you to this window. Now you can add your source, either Shopify, ST, whatever shop that you have, and then categorize under. You can choose your income type, either advertising and affiliate income, in-person sales, online sales, rental income, or other, and then you have the amount, add the amount for this income and the currency. Click on this drop down menu for you to find a wide array of currencies that are available in FreshBooks. And of course, you have the date, add the date for the income. Click on this and the calendar is going to pop where you can add your date. Or so go ahead and edit. Now add included taxes if you want to, and you can click on show payment details if you want to, and click on save. Now once you click on save, your income will be saved. So ensure that you have gone through all of these processes. All right, so your source, your income type, your amount, your currency, your date, and included taxes. Do not forget to click on the save button, because if you do not click on the save button, then your income will not be saved. So after doing that, that's it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.